Hello everyone. So in this tutorial I'll be teaching us how to edit our product to bring out the beauty in it before posting it on social media in order to attract our prospective customers. So for this tutorial we're making use of two apps. The two apps we'll be making use of is the Lightroom. This is the Lightroom, and also the Photo Room. So that means before you comment or before you think of editing your products, you need to have these two apps on your phone, and you can get this app on your Play Store. You can get this app on your Play Store. So this is the Play Store. You can get it on your Play Store. You download it. So let's move into the practical properly. So I will just go to my gallery. I go to my gallery, then click on camera, then look for any product of my choice that I want to work with. So let me just click on this. This is a current product, so I just click on it. Then on the right side of your phone you can see three dots there. This is the three dots here, so you click on it. So these are the options that it will show, so depending on your phone anyway. Info, editing, user. So I'll just click on the edit in. Then I have more options here. The apps are here, so I'll just go to the app I want to make use of, which is the Lightroom. So it's importing the product. So it has imported the product. So the first thing I want to do here is I want to zoom the product. So I'll click on the crop now, just to zoom the product out a little bit. So when I'm done with that, so you always mark this good here, mark it. Okay, so I'm done with that. So the next thing I want to do is to click on this, to click on the edit. So when you click on the edit, you see the options: auto, light, color, blur, effects, detail, and the rest. Okay, so these are the options it will give to you. So let's start with the light. Looking at the photo, it doesn't really need light already because it already has light on the background. So me attempting to put any extra light on it or exposure on it, let's see how it will look like. So now when you're working on your product, when you're editing your product, you need to be intentional. Okay, so the main reason why you're editing the product is just to bring out the beauty of the product and not to move out of the product color entirely. So you just need to be very intentional and creative while doing that. So I leave the exposure the way it is. Okay, I think 0.33 plus 0.33. Then let me add my contrast a little, just a little bit of highlights. Do I need the shadow? Okay, just so when you're doing that, as you're doing it, you want to check how the product looks like. Just tap on your screen, then those icons will move out, so you look at it, then you tap again, it comes up, then you keep doing what you're doing. Okay, I think I'm done with this aspect. So let me move over to color. So the color, these are the options it gives to me. There is temperature, there is tint, there is vibrance, there is saturation. So let me start with the tint. Okay, so I don't want it to be that much, a little bit of the tint, the temperature, sorry. So I move over to tint, I add a little bit of it and see. Okay, still alright. Let me move over to vibrance. So you just be careful with how you apply the effects on the product. So let me check how it looks like. Okay, I think I like the way it looks. So let me move out of here. So the next one is the blur. This blur, I really don't need it because I'm still going to make use of photo room. So the main purpose for this blur is maybe if you don't want the background, so you just blur the background. But since we are going to make use of photo room, so I don't think this will be necessary for now. So just move out of there and click on effects. From the effects, you're seeing the option. We have texture, we have clarity, we have the hairs. So let me add a little bit of texture. I still check and clarity just to clarify. This is to clarify, to make the product clear. That's to smoothen the product a little. Okay. So the clarity now is just to smoothen the product a little. I still check. I think this is okay. So the hairs. So you need to be careful to in this aspect to also add beauty to the product, but you need to be careful while applying it. Okay. I think I'm okay with that. Let's click on this vignette and see. We don't really need this. See what it's showing us. Don't really need this. Let's see what is bringing out the midpoint. Let's see. Let me check the grain. Besides it. Okay. Let's move out of here. Let's check the detail. Sharpening, reduce. Go to color noise. If the color is too much, so you reduce the color noise. So this one is for smoothness of the product. It's optics. Don't think we need that. So this is a profile now. As you can see, the profile, we have the color aspect. So this is where the color is. So if you want to change it to monochrome, this is the black and white. You can see it's move back to the color monochrome. We have artistic 01. Artistic 02. This one just take me out of my product. It's not what I need. Let me just check this one. You can decide to click on any of them, or you still go back to your color. I think I still prefer this color, so let me stick on the color. So I'm basically done with that. So at this point, if you're actually using a good background, you can decide to leave it the way it is, then post it. But if you don't have a good background, so you save it first. Let's save it first. So still go back to these three dots here. Okay, then click on it. You can see the option save copy to device and the rest, so you just click on the save copy to device. So it's saved now. So now I'll move back to my gallery. Alright, so I'll move back to my gallery. Let's see what we did there. Move back to the gallery. So this was the previous one, the original copy. That was the original copy. So let's check the Lightroom. Adobe Lightroom. So this is the product. So now I want to change the background of the product. So still click on the three dots by the right hand side, edit in. Now I'm making use of the photo room. Now click on the photo room now. So as you can see, the photo room now has removed the background. So it's loading it. It's loading now. So photo room comes with so many background. So you can see. So it's left for you now to pick the options you need. Left for you now to pick the ones you want. I have so many backgrounds, beautiful backgrounds here. So it's there for you to pick the one you want. You can see even social media background, so many background. So let me just stick with one background. Let me go with this particular one. It's still maintain that my background, but at this point it just blur the background for me. You click save. So go back again. If I don't want that one, or I want to click on another one, I click this one. The same background but blur. But this was the blur I was talking about in Lightroom. So export it, then click on the save. So that is just it. You just choose any background that you need here. A lot of background here, and as you're checking it, let me just export this one first. Okay, so as you're doing that, as you're moving, you come across some right up here. You can see the one on the right, PRO, which is Pro. Do not click on the Pro because that one you need to pay for it. So let me click on this, Try Pro. So this one is actually a Pro. Can you see the way the product is? So if you want to try the Pro, then means you need to pay for it. Now you can see the amount: weekly 850 naira. Then yearly plan, if you want yearly plan, that's 286.53 per week. So when you sum it all, it's 14,900. This is for yearly plan. So this for the Pro. But if you don't want to pay for it, you can always make use of the free background here. So many free background here, a lot of free background. You can always make use of them. Save. So that's all about it's